Very good morning, dear students, dear children. In the last class, you learned the chapter time. Dear students, now it is the time to learn the chapter, it is money. Dear students, you have seen everywhere when you are going to any stationery shop or any malls, you observe that you are giving money to the shopkeepers and they will give some things which you require. That means we are using money to exchange the things. We are using money to exchange the goods. Dear students, here in this chapter you are going to learn what is meant by money, notes and coins, then addition of money, subtraction of money, and also how to read the denominations. So it's a very interesting chapter. In this chapter I am going to show what are the notes difference we are using at present. Okay, dear children, in India, in our country, we use notes and coins as money. What we are using? We are using coins and notes. You have observed coins and notes, different coins. Yes. Which are the coins we are using? The face value of coin or face value of note, it is called as denomination. Dear students, in coins, what are the denominations we are using? We are using 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, then 2 rupee coin, rupees 2, then 3 rupees, it is not there, 4 rupees also it is not there, 5 rupees coin we are using, rupees 5. After rupees 5, the highest denomination coin is rupees 10. These are the coins we are using at present. Some of the coins which were our elders were used. Which are those? That is, the coins are 25 paise, 50 paise, but at present we are not commonly using these coins. Which are those? 25 paise and 50 paise. Here from 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins at present commonly we are using. Then you come to notes. Different denomination notes we are using, dear students. In the previous days, the least denomination note is 1 rupee. Rupee 1. But at present, we are not using 1 rupee note. Here, the model of 1 rupee note is like this. So this is the sample of 1 rupee note, but we are at present we are not using. Then the second one, it is 2 rupee note. 2 rupee note also we were used, but at present it is also not used. This is the 2 rupee note. You have observed, if you are asking to your parents, they will also show it to you. Then the next note is rupees 5. Rupees 5 note we are using at present. This is the note, denomination note of 5 rupee. Yes, we are using 5 rupee note. Then 5 after we are using rupees 10. So here the sample of 10 rupee. Dear children, observe, this is the sample or a model of 10 rupee note. Yes, we are using at present. 10 after we are using 20 rupee note. Which note we are using? Rupee 20. So here I am showing the sample of 20 rupee note. Observe very carefully. It is the sample model of 20 rupee note. So we are using 20 rupee note also. 20 after we are using next 50 rupee note. Rupee 50. So here you can observe the 50 rupee note. In every denominations we observe that our father of our nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji, picture on one side. You can easily identify whether it is original note or whether it is duplicate note. Now I am showing the sample of rupee 50 note. Next denomination is rupees 100. Rupees 100. Observe dear children. It is the sample of 100 rupees note. Yes. This is the sample. Then at present, nowadays we are using rupees 200 also. We are using now. 200 after, now we are proceeding to the next denomination. It is rupees 500. 500. Observe dear children. It is the new 500 rupee note. Old notes are banned and new 500 and 2000 rupee notes are introduced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yes, this is the sample of 500 rupee note. Yes. The next denomination note is the highest denomination note. At present we are using, it is 2000. 2000 note you may have seen. So this is the pink colored 2000 rupee note. It is the highest denomination note that we are used. Yes. Dear children, observe here, these are the notes and coins. In the notes, the least, the smallest denomination note is 5 rupee and the highest denomination note is 2000 rupees. These are the notes we are using. So I hope, suppose if we are giving any notes and coins, you can easily identify which note or which coin it is. You just observe which number it is they have written on the note. So now I am proceeding to the exercise parts, that is my practice. One, it is there in the page number 172. 172. Yes. Dear children, it's very interesting and also you can do it by yourselves. Very easy questions given. What are the questions? Look at here. Once I am showing what are the questions given here. Here, count the money and write down how much it is. First they have given A, rupees 10, then rupees 20, then 10 rupee coin, then 5 rupee coin. So here you need to write the answer. What is the total rupee? So B. So like this, 100 rupee denomination note. 100. Next will be 50. The next will be 10. Okay. Remaining questions, you can do it by yourselves. Observe dear children. Here, rupee 10 plus 20 rupees. 10 plus 20. It has become 20 plus 10 becomes 30. For 30, if you add again 10, it has become 40. 40 plus 5 rupees 45. This is the symbol of rupees. It is the symbol of rupees. In earlier days, we were used the symbol as RS. But at present, we are using the symbol rupees. This one. It is introduced by a famous, what we can say, engineer. His name D. Uday Kumar. He is working at Maharashtra. Okay, this is the symbol of rupees. Now you come to the second one, B. Dear children, it is 100 rupee denomination note. 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50 become 150. 150 plus 10. It has become 160 rupees. 160. These type of questions are there in the first exercise part. You can complete by yourselves. I hope you will finish. Now I am proceeding to the next part. It is my practice time 2. The second exercise part, my practice time 2. It is there in the page number 174 and 175. So 2 exercise parts are there here. Dear children, here, look at here, this type of questions given. Write the least amount of notes and coins required by these things. One has been, they have done for you. The doll, price of this doll is rupees 114. Dear children, 100 rupee plus 10 rupee, 100 plus 10, 110, then rupees 2, rupees 2. That means total if you add, you are getting 114. So likewise, the cost of 4 apples, you can write like this. So here the cost of 4 apples, it is rupees 55. So now you need to write the notes and coins, which are the notes you are using and which are the coins you may use. Next one, C, they have provided a suitcase. Dear children, you have seen suitcase. So like this. So its cost being 523. So you need to write the notes and coins that equal to this amount, rupees 55. Which are the notes we may use? We may use 50 rupees note, 50. Then which are the coins we are using? You may use 1 rupee 5 coins or 2 rupee 2 coins, 1 rupee 1 coin. Instead, you can use 1 5 rupee coin. 50 plus 5 becomes 55. That's all. So next come to the cost of this suitcase be 523. Dear children, you just remember, visualize which are the denomination notes are there. 10, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 200 after 500, then 2000. So directly you can take 500 denomination note, 500 after 20, 20 denomination note and 3. So you may use 1 2 rupee note and 1 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So 500 plus 20, 520 plus 22 plus 1, 23, 523. Likewise, you can do it the remaining questions by yourselves. Yes. Next, I am proceeding to the next exercise part, reading and writing money. It's also very important. Reading and writing money. Dear students, in the first two chapters you learned how to read and write the numbers. If they will give the numbers, what is this number? It is 25. How to write in words? 25. So in the same way, if notes and coins are given, how to read and write, it is also very important. So these are the exercise questions I have directly taken from my practice time 3. It is there in the page number 177. Dear students, you can complete it very easily. I hope you will finish. Yes, here. For example, now I am showing you 155.50. Dear children, this point, it separate notes and coins. It is the point. Point separate notes and coins. The number which you write right side, it is paise. The numbers which you write right side of the point, it is called as paise. The numbers which you write left side of the point, it is the left side, it is the right side, then it is called as rupees. So like this, you can read and write the number. Yes. Can you tell what is the amount this one? It is rupees 100. Rupees 155 and 50 paise. 50 paise. So like this, you can read and write the numbers. Yes. Now I am taking the questions from your exercise part and try to understand. Remaining questions you can do it by yourselves. Yes. Here, write the money in figure. They have given first main, write money in figures. Dear children, here they have given in words, you need to change it into numbers. Figure is nothing but it is number. The first one is A 64 rupees. 64 rupees 19 paise. So here you write the denomination or in figure. B, second one, 10 rupees 20 paise. 10 rupee 20 paise. So here you can write the denomination. Next, 160 rupee 160 rupees 10 paise. Here you can write the answer. Observe, dear children. It's very easy. 64 rupees. Rupees 64 point. This point separate rupees and paise. 19 paise. 19 paise. Rupees 64, 19 paise. Don't forget to put this point. This point separate notes and paise. That is rupees and paise. Next one. 10 rupees 20 paise. Rupees 10, 20 paise. Put decimal point. Next. 160 rupees. Rupees 160. Then 10 paise. 10 paise. After decimal point, you read the paise. Then decimal points left side, you read the rupees. This is the way to write the money in the words into figures. Next is write money in words. Write money in words. They have given in figures. You need to write it in words. Write money in words. Yes, it is the second main. The questions are like this. A. Rupees 176, 25 paise. B. It is rupees 38, 70 paise. Observe. So I hope these are enough. Dear children, this point left side rupees, right side paise. Rupees 100, rupees 176, 176 and 25 paise. Or you can write like this also, 176 rupees 25 paise, or else rupees 176 and 25 paise. It is also right. Next, you come to the second one, rupees 38, rupees 38 and 70 paise. 70 paise. So like this, you can write the numbers, write the money in words. Dear students, up to here the chapter has completed. If you are having any doubts in the regular classes, we are going to discuss again. Thank you everyone. Try to complete all the questions in practice time first, practice time second and practice time third in the chapter money, because it's very simple chapter. You can do it by yourselves. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. I'll meet you in the next class. Bye-bye.